Manzinar War Relocation Center. Well, this is where that took place during World War II. And over the years, I would say the past 20 years, they've renewed the interest in making this a recognizable place of history. 40 years ago, 50 years ago, coming up here, we would have free roam of this area, which now is very controlled, which is a good thing for preserving this site. That used to be an aircraft hangar. The airport runway is on the other side of 395. It's all accessible off-road vehicles. This is pretty well established now with a self-guided tour. This is the initial guardhouse. It's a military police sentry post. It's amazing how preserved it is. Stone has a tendency to stick around. Looks like they've put in new roof on these posts. The white rock denotes where a building was located. They're all above ground piling type barrack structures, so they're gone. This was the internal police station location. You see the cement probably covered entry. And let's see what this marker says. First Street, Manzinar, USA. And what a beautiful sight if you were here, unfortunately, for them. Manzinar Free Press. And again over here, other outbuildings. Administration building located there. There's Kathy and Coco. Anyway, this is our first trip out in the RV. Thought we'd take it out. A few hour drive from where we live. Wonderful weather. Lots of area to explore. Terrific fishing up there in those mountain creeks.